a knife that was sent to us from a company asking if we would review it, and so that's what we're going to do. Don't mind giving our opinion about things. Fintiso, I guess is how it's pronounced. Striking box. Blue anodized aluminum I can see for a lanyard hole. Good size. Looks like a G10 handle. It's definitely nicely textured. It feels good in the hand, and I could see where that would be grippy in cold or wet conditions. Notice the pocket clip, tip up. It's got thumb studs, of course, and a flipper here, so let's see if it's assisted opening. Wow. I don't think it's assisted opening, but that was a sweet unload. The liner lock has a nice knob in order to put some pressure on the blade, and so in order for it to get past that, you have to put a little bit of pressure on that flipper, and when you do, it flies open. When I have a good flipper, I don't use the thumb studs much, and this is definitely a good flipper. It's an easy use flipper to me. I like that. Got a nice finish to it. It says 14C 28N. I will admit I'm not much about the different kinds of steels. I know that there's different uses for them, and different knife makers like different things. I guess the thing to do is to see how sharp it is out of the box. I can feel a nice edge on it. Let's see what it does to the hairs on the back of my hand. No problem whatsoever. That was nice. That's very sharp out of the box. Very, very sharp. I don't know if you can see right here, the back of the blade is thinner here, and then it gets thicker here for point support. Got a nice point on it. Just the slightest clip to it. Not a spear point, but good design. I like it. I like the coated steel. One other thing I see here is they've ground a 90-degree spot for striking sparks. The extra screws that come with it, I see there's 2 screws on this side, and that's the only 2 screws that hold in that anodized blue lanyard holder. On this side, those same 2 screws plus the 2 for the pocket clip. So they just give you extra screws, I guess, in case you lose them or something. That's thoughtful. Not interchangeable. Look, the pocket clip's on this side, but you can't move it over to this side, and you can't move it up on this end. I am going to put this on the scale, and all right. This says it's 4.29 ounces. I already know that this thing will shave the hair on my arm, so this is just silliness right here. Yeah, there's no need to even worry about that. That's way sharp. Let's carve on a little piece of wood. See what kind of fine shavings I can get. Boy, with a good softwood like this cedar, and a good sharp blade like this Fintiso, I could make a good fire starting stick. I like that. Let me try this on a small piece of bamboo. This is a kind of a river cane. Oh, that's nice. Takes little shavings right off of that. I like the feel of this in my hand. I want to measure the length of it. It's a full-handed forefinger for me. No compromise there on the size of the handle. I like that. That is so smooth, so easy. That feather stick is gonna be easy. Make a feather stick in a moment. Well, I guess we can try this. Let's throw a spark into a pile of leaves and see what happens. It's got that cutout right there for throwing a spark. Oh yeah, that was easy enough. That was sweet. I don't think those leaves are actually dry enough to catch. My ruler here, let's see what we got. Yeah, it's a 3-inch blade, just short of 2 7/8, I guess. The handle is 4.5 inches long. That's why it feels good in my hand. The liner lock works wonderfully. The flipper is great. Fintiso, I like that. At 47 and some change, less than $50, I would say that it's a competitor. I think that it definitely is a competitor. The fit and finish feel really good. Well, like and subscribe. Let us know your comments. Would you buy one of these? Do you like the idea? Have you heard of Fintiso?